So I opened a new scene and I deleted default cube that no one uses, and I added in an image as planes, and for that I just selected a building that I wanted to build. I rotated it and scaled it, and then I went to shading and turned down specular to 0, and that just makes it look a little more clear. Then I added another plane and I just scaled it and extruded it to fit kind of the shape of the building. And then once I was done with that, I added a new material and I just called it the building that I am building. And then I just added in a image texture, and as the texture I used the same building that I had added in previously, and then I unwrapped it, and then I just scaled it a little bit, but it looked pretty good. I took specular all the way down, and then it looked even better. And then I pretty much just started adding a bunch of edge loops in wherever necessary. Pretty much just wherever it looks like it could be jutting out, I just added an edge loop. I went crazy with them. I think it's better to go crazy than too little. And then I just
Circled around that knob, extruded it, and added a bunch of edge loops, and made it look pretty good.
And I just extruded a bunch of stuff. I inset,
if that's a word,
I inset that garage door. And then I just
Saved it.
because that's what most people do. I just saved it as
building
that I'm
Building.
and that's about it for today.
I'll see you later.